Surf fishing demands gear that blends casting distance, sensitivity, and saltwater durability. Spinning rods in this category must handle rocky beaches, big fish, and long sessions, all while staying portable for travel. In this review, I tested 5 affordable to mid-range surf spinners from FiBlink and Berry Pro to evaluate build quality, actions, and real-world performance. Product number 1. FiBlink Surf Spinning Fishing Rod. Carbon Travel Surf Rod, 2-piece/3-piece/4-piece spinning fishing. This FiBlink Carbon Travel Rod emphasizes portability with 2, 3, or 4-piece configurations and multiple length options up to 15 feet. The blue surf rod design highlights a carbon blank, stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts, and a high-strength reel seat with a rubber butt cap. The construction aims for a lightweight, responsive feel, ideal for surf anglers battling rocks and chop. The 1-year warranty and included travel bag are practical for beach trips and plane travel. Performance-wise, the carbon blank promises sensitivity and strength with long cast potential thanks to well-spaced stainless guides and heat dissipation. The textured shrink tube fore and rear grips improve wet weather handling, and the tapered reel cap design protects the reel during waves. However, the multi-piece design can introduce a subtle joint feel at the connection points, and the 12-pound line weight suggests this rod is best for light to moderate muscled fish. Heavier targets may demand confidence in the blank's load curve. The 4-piece option may slightly compromise backbone for distance, but enhances travel convenience. Real-world use shows solid bite detection and a reliable casting experience in calm to moderate surf. Product number 2. FiBlink Surf Spinning Fishing Rod. Carbon Travel Surf Rod, 2-piece, 3-piece, 4-piece spinning fishing. This variant expands on the previous FiBlink model with an emphasis on a lighter overall package and a one-piece-like feel through improved materials and tighter tolerances. It remains a carbon travel rod with 2, 3, 4-piece configurations and lengths up to 15 feet, maintaining the blue aesthetic, stainless steel guides, and EVA or shrink wrap grip choices. The weight is listed at approximately 11.22 ounces for the 9-foot model, signaling a nimble approach for longer sessions. Performance-wise, the rod targets long casts with a robust backbone suitable for moderate surf and smaller inshore species. The 30-pound line weight specification signals versatility for heavier rigs than a light ultralight, but the intended fish targets align with striped bass and redfish in coastal waters. The 9-foot length is a practical balance of distance and control, while the multi-piece design remains the limiting factor for one-piece feel. In practice, users will appreciate the travel practicality without sacrificing much sensitivity, but crisper joint action at longer configurations could be noticeable under hard casting or big fish loading. Product number 3. FiBlink Surf Spinning Fishing Rod, 2-piece/4-piece graphite travel fishing rod. A classic 11-foot graphite travel rod from FiBlink, marketed as a 2/4-piece graphite travel option with a fast action and a strong build. The black and red colorway and saltwater resilient construction emphasize durability in harsh coastal environments. The rod is designed for versatile surf use and long-distance casting, with a focus on sensitivity and modern components such as ceramic insulated guides and a corrosion-resistant reel seat. Performance-wise, the graphite blank contributes to fast action and responsive energy transfer, ideal for aggressive casts and quick bite detection. The 11-foot length places this rod in a sweet spot for beach anglers seeking reach without overwhelming gear. The upgrade to corrosion-resistant hardware supports durability in salt spray and brine exposure. On the downside, a 30-pound line weight rating remains within the mid-range, so heavier big catch scenarios might test the blink's limits. The broad 2/4-piece design offers travel flexibility but can introduce joint stiffness in extreme conditions. Product number 4. Berry Pro Surf Spinning Fishing Rod, Graphite Spinning Rod, 9 feet, 10 feet, 11 feet, 12 feet. Berry Pro's graphite surf rod is positioned as a premium option within the range, featuring IM7 X-Carbon technology blanks for heightened sensitivity and power. The model supports 9 feet to 12 feet lengths with fast action and line weights of 15 to 40 pounds. The design emphasizes enhanced stainless steel guides with ceramic rings, a high-strength reel seat, and ergonomic EVA grips. The product is marketed with a professional-sounding, data-driven approach to toughness and flexibility along the blank spine. Performance-wise, the IM7X carbon construction should deliver crisp feel and strong load transfer for the surf and shore-charging fish. The oversized reels and long casts benefit from precisely aligned guides and a spine-aware layout. With line weights up to 40 pounds, the rod suits heavier rigs and larger species while still maintaining a comfortable grip and robust build. However, some users may find the 10.5-foot model length to be a sweet spot that minimizes leverage for certain beach setups, and the premium price at $66.99 may challenge value-focused buyers seeking the lowest cost option. Product number 5. 5-Link Surf Fishing Rod. Portable travel surf spinning rod, 2-piece, 3-piece, 4-piece carbon fiber saltwater fishing rod, 9-foot, 10-foot, 12-foot, 13-foot, 15-foot. This 5-link model prioritizes a broad length range, 9-foot to 15-foot, and a lightweight carbon fiber blank, paired with a 2-, 3-, 4-piece travel design. The green colorway and X-Wrap EVA grips aim to minimize fatigue during long saltwater sessions. The rod emphasizes smooth casting with stainless steel guides and ceramic inserts, plus a durable EVA fore and rear grip. Performance-wise, the extended length options enable impressive reach for long beach runs and distant targets. The 9-foot length provides agile handling for beach environments, while the 13 and 15-foot configurations can deliver significant casting distance when properly loaded. The wind on the water and salt spray can challenge grip, but the ergonomic wrap and high-strength reel hood protect the connection during battle. The wide range of lengths makes this rod a versatile travel solution. The trade-off is that longer joints can feel less rigid under heavy loads compared to fixed-length models.